Welcome to the very first video in the series called Videos Made Simple, a Beginner's Guide. This series is designed to help you go from overwhelmed or unsure about video creation to confidently filming, editing, and sharing your own videos, whether it's for YouTube, social media, or your business. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start or need help in your journey, then this series is for you. Let's dive in. One of the common hurdles for new creators is they think that it's too late to start, or that all the good content or videos have already been made, and that is simply not true, because you have a unique voice to share and a unique perspective. And also, it is never too late. So when I started my second YouTube channel back in 2019, I thought the very same thing. I thought it was too late. And the niche that I was getting into was education for young children. And I thought that particular genre was just overwhelmed and that there were so many other videos already out there or very popular YouTube channels. And there were, definitely so. But I actually remembered thinking, it's too late. And it wasn't. I just thought, I'm just gonna keep uploading and I'm just gonna start. And the more videos that I filmed, the more experience that I got, the more practice, and the better that my videos became. So it's never too late to start. Now, I'm actually over 40, and a lot of people my age or older feel like that only young people are tech savvy, or that only young creators are here to have space to create videos, and that's simply not true. But honestly, at any age, we can have some fears of maybe not knowing what we're doing, or fears that we're not tech savvy enough. Does this sound familiar? Well, it's just not true. Everyone has a starting place, and everyone has to start and begin somewhere. Just getting started and pressing record and just start to practice editing is going to help you to become more confident and familiar with creating videos. I have filmed and edited my own videos. I've also been a video editor for others, so I've helped them and coached them on how to film or how to film their content for me to edit videos. But I've also taught in-person classes and online of all different ages. So I teach middle schoolers and high schoolers, and I also teach older adults how to start filming and how to start editing their own videos. Not just necessarily about age, it's about your mindset and having a positive mindset and learning the right skills. So there's no reason to feel overwhelmed. Since I teach to all age groups, my approach is for the beginner style. And so if you're a beginner, or maybe you've had some experience, but you still feel like there's some gaps that you need to fill in, I am here to help you. So my approach is all for beginners, no matter your age. There is an audience out there waiting for you and your unique perspective. Whether it's on YouTube or Instagram, or maybe for your business, maybe you need to market your product. Video is the perfect way to connect with your audience to deliver a very unique message. A very simple first tip that I have for you is just to grab your phone and press record. Make sure that it is in the horizontal position first before you press record. That way you get a full screen view. A lot of people hold their phone in the vertical position at all times, and that's okay, but you're not going to capture a full screen view. And if you hold it in the horizontal way, you can use it in multiple different formats. So don't overthink it. Grab your phone and start talking about whatever it is that you're passionate about. So the hardest thing is to just start and take the first step. But I promise it gets easier with time and practice. Don't let fear or stereotypes hold you back, because this is your time to shine. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about the exact tools that you need to get started, and it's super simple and super easy. If this video motivated you, let me know in the comments below. And if you need help getting started with videos and you're a brand new beginner or just need to fill in the gaps, I've made the perfect guide for you. It is my top 5 tips for getting started with videos, and the link is in the description box. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe so you can get more free tips about creating videos, filming, and editing. In the next video in this series, which I'll be posting next week, is going to be talking about the exact tools you need to get started, and it's very simple. And I'll see you in the next video, friends.